in there with you, but you're coming over the top. That radio sounds real good that you put on there now and you're talking off of right now.
I appreciate it, man. Just a little hi-fi thing we got thrown together here.
Hey, Tim, I was just talking off Cobra 29 LTD Classic here. Like I said, just working my homemade. Hey, why don't somebody come over here, Tim?
10-4, it's doing a good job, man, when the conditions let you through. Conditions definitely are kind of weird. They're bouncing all over the place. I can hear y'all, then I get Canada coming in over the top of you. That snow and cold's got it all messed up.
Oh, yeah, well, it's same here, man. A lot of them coming in there, but you're not going to get real bad weather. It's all going north of you there, no doubt. But anyway, there's a lot of them out there sounding good, and hopefully we can put it on you again, no doubt. 77, we do it again, 177. We're at my little station right now. Just got down.
10-4 there, 177. Definitely was a pleasure, man. Enjoyed it. Be the 77, Southwest Alabama on my little red clay tire we stepping.
I'm a phone in the stand up. Alabama 388. Duncan Mobile got down.